Namaste. Greetings to our friends in Nepal. My name is John Torgrimson. I'm the Executive Director of Seed Savers Exchange in Decorah, Iowa, in the United States. Seed Savers Exchange is a nonprofit, member-supported organization with the mission to save North America's diverse but endangered garden heritage for future generations by building a network of people committed to collecting, conserving, and sharing heirloom and open pollinated seeds. In the 1970s, our co-founders Diane and Whealy and Kent Whealy advertised their hope to begin a seed exchange amongst farmers and gardeners around the world in order to preserve heritage varieties of fruit and vegetable crops. Though this exchange started out small, it has since grown to reach about 13,000 members each year. Today's seed exchange operates in much the same way as it did in the 1970s. The seed exchange involves our members, who are gardeners, farmers, chefs, and other supporters who pay an annual membership fee to Seed Savers Exchange. Our members are located around the country and around the world. Each year, a number of our members grow open pollinated fruit and vegetable varieties with the intent to save seed from the plants and offer that seed in our seed exchange. We call these men and women our listed members. Our listed members are also located throughout the United States and around the world, and they form the foundation of our organization. Any one of our members can share seed through the seed exchange and become listed members if they have healthy, pure, open pollinated seeds to offer. Even if members are not offering cultivars in the seed exchange, they may still request seeds from other listed members. Our seed exchange is currently based on an annual cycle that corresponds to our growing season. At the end of the growing season, after our listed members have harvested and cleaned their seeds, those listed members send us a list of the cultivars they would like to offer through the seed exchange. Many of our listed members share only a handful of different cultivars through the seed exchange. Some of our more experienced listed members, however, may share seeds of several hundred different cultivars. In addition to the names of the cultivars, our listed members send us a description of each cultivar, its growth habits, fruit color, shape, size, and taste. When our listed members send us a list of cultivars and their attributes, we put this information into a database that includes the name of the person offering each cultivar, the cultivar name, plant type, genus, species, and attributes. The image on the screen shows a number of corn attributes that we try to collect for each cultivar that is offered. You can see several attributes listed that would be beneficial for farmers to know: plant height, days to maturity, kernel color, and culinary use. By separating these attributes into individual categories, we can make the information more searchable for farmers who may be interested in something specific. When we have collected cultivar lists from our members, we then publish those lists in two different formats: a printed list that we call our yearbook, and a searchable online database. And we send these published lists to all of our supporting members, whether they have listed seeds to share or not. Our printed list of cultivars offered by our listed members, the yearbook, is much like a directory organized by plant types and cultivars. From the database, we can separate listed member offerings by plant type, such as corn, wheat, rice, tomatoes, and then organize these offerings alphabetically by cultivar. If one of our members is holding the yearbook and looking for a variety of corn called golden, they can open the book to the corn section and browse alphabetically to the variety golden. Alternatively, if they're looking for no variety in particular, they can open the book to the corn section and read through all of the descriptions of the different corn varieties to find one they may want to grow. Along with the name and attributes of each cultivar, we also publish the name of the listed member who is offering the variety. When a member finds a variety that they'd like to grow, they will then see the name of the person that they should contact in order to request seeds of that variety. Contact information for each listed member, such as their phone number, address, and email address, is included in a section of the yearbook. In some cases, multiple listed members may be offering the same cultivar. We publish the names of each listed member offering those varieties, so the members can choose who they would like to request seeds from. The printed format of the seed exchange is adequate if a member is searching for a particular cultivar. However, if a member is looking specifically for a cultivar of corn that grows to maturity in 90 days or less, they must browse through the entire corn section in order to find something suitable for their farm or garden. The online format of our seed exchange is a more searchable database. Our members can go to the seed exchange website and browse the cultivars listed there just like with the printed yearbook, but they can also search for particular attributes or key words that might be listed in the description of a cultivar. For example, if a member is searching for a cultivar of corn that matures in 90 days or less, they can type the term 90 in the search box, or they can check the appropriate boxes for that category, such as 90 days or less, in the advanced search. Like the printed yearbook, the online seed exchange lists other information about each cultivar, including the name and contact information of the listed member who is offering that cultivar. As our members search through the seed exchange for cultivars they'd like to request from listed members, they write down the names of cultivars they'd like to request, as well as the name and contact information of the listed members offering those cultivars. They can then contact each listed member they'd like to request seeds from using mail or email. Seed Savers Exchange suggests that samples of 25 to 200 seeds are exchanged, depending on plant type. Each listed member can request appropriate compensation for the seeds they are offering, although we suggest $3 to $5 for each sample. Some of our listed members will even trade seeds for seeds. When a listed member receives a request for seeds from another member, we ask that they fill that request and send the requested seeds within 30 days of receiving that request and the appropriate payment. If they have run out of seeds, we ask that they refund the payment and notify the member who requested those seeds as soon as possible. Hopefully, when a member receives a sample of seeds from a listed member, he or she will plant those seeds, care for those plants, harvest the fruits, and save some of the seeds that those plants produce. They can then offer those seeds in next year's seed exchange. The seed exchange is the basis for in situ preservation of heirloom and open pollinated seeds. Seed Savers Exchange also maintains a seed bank near Decorah, Iowa, of heirloom and open pollinated varieties, many donated by our members, that is the basis for the ex situ preservation. The combination of these practices ensures that our mission to collect, maintain, and distribute seeds will be fulfilled. For more information about Seed Savers Exchange, go to our website at www.seedsavers.org. We wish you the very best from Decorah, Iowa. Thank you.